In this video, I wanted to show you what nesting switch statements looks like. Don't do it too often, but sometimes you come across a situation where you need a switch inside a switch, and it's pretty clean. So let me show you what that looks like. So let's just start off with two variables, just for fun. I and j, 0 and 1. Let's say we've got a switch in here off of our first variable, I, and just have a couple cases. Leave a blank for right now. One. Let's do a default. Ourselves a little bit more room here. So let's say we're inside the switch statement, inside a case, and we want to have another switch based on the second variable inside of here. You can do that with just putting in a switch. This time we're going to switch on J. And let's say case 0. Let's just print something out. And in this particular case, I was 0 and J. Add a second case for this inner one. Won't worry about doing defaults in here, just for this example. And we break. This is where it's important. Keep your indentation clean, your brackets in their proper places so you can see. So you can see that this whole statement here falls within this case statement of this switch statement. Let's kind of do something similar down here for the second case of the outer switch. Actually, no. Well, we've got the one embedded. That's fine. This one, let's just output that I was 1. All right, there we go. So when we run this, how I have this set up, I was 0, J was 1. We see as we go into the first switch statement where I was 0, case 0 would hit, but immediately we'll check the second switch, which is J, and J was 1. So this case here should have printed I was 0, but J was 1. Now, if J was also 0, just to show you how that works, you can see that on this inner switch right here, I was 0 and J was 0. So they were both zeros. This first switch hit, case was 0, J was also 0, so this case, and this was the line that was executed, and then a break. Now, if I is 1, the way we have this set up, doesn't matter what J is, because when I is 1 in this switch statement, all this is skipped, and this case is what catches, and this is all that happens. I was 1 was printed.